Vice President Leni Robredo and human rights lawyer Leni-Chel topped the list of possible candidates for president and vice president respectively. That's according to the online survey released by Forum Dimensions, the official student publication of West Visayas State University. Robredo obtained a 64% preference rating. She was followed by Manila Mayor Isko Moreno, Senator Grace Poe, and Diokno. The survey for Vice President, on the other hand, revealed a 38% voting preference for Diokno. Sorsogon Governor Cheese Escudero came in second, followed by Moreno and Poe. The survey was conducted from February 15 to 24, 2021.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.